How to log in to Darkest Days. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Darkest Days and want to log into your account, then first of all, open the Darkest Days game on your device and wait for the game to load. I've been playing Darkest Days with a guest account. If you open the game, then you'll be reaching the login screen. Choose the login option that you want to log in with. If you're already inside the game and you have joined in as a guest, then go to the top right corner and tap on the phone icon. Now in the expanded menu, click the gear button at the bottom. Once you open the settings option, go to the top of the screen and tap on account. Inside account, look for the sign in with Apple, sign in with Google, or sign in with Steam option. Choose any one login method or link method and tap on it. I'm just going to tap on sign in with Google option. Select any one option and tap the link button right next to it to log in. Now, wait for a few seconds and then go ahead and sign in using your email or phone number. Type in the email you would like to link with in the text box and tap on next. On the next page, you'll need to enter your Google account's or your chosen account's password. After you do that, allow Google to sign in to Darkest Days using your email by tapping on Agree and Share. Wait for a few seconds and your Google account will be linked. Similarly, if you've chosen Apple or Steam option, make sure to enter your credentials for your Apple account or your Steam account. Right after you do that, your account will be linked and logged in successfully. Linking your account will keep your account from being at risk or your account data from being lost. So that's how you successfully log in to Darkest Days so that you can save your progress throughout the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.